David Allen's Getting Things Done (GTD) is more than a productivity method. It aims to create a mind like water, a clear, focused mental state. In today's information overload, GTD offers a practical system to regain control, reduce stress, and efficiently accomplish tasks by offloading commitments from the brain to an external system, freeing mental space for creativity. The core idea is that while our brains excel at generating ideas, they struggle to store and track them, causing mental fatigue from unfinished tasks. GTD solves this by capturing everything on your mind into trusted external inboxes, then clarifying what each item means and deciding the next concrete action. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If not, categorize it as a project, delegate, defer, or file for reference. Organizing is key. Tasks are sorted into project lists, next actions by context, like at computer or errands, calendar for fixed appointments, waiting lists for delegated tasks, reference files, and someday maybe lists for future ideas. The weekly review is essential. Regularly updating and reflecting on your system keeps it functional and your mind clear. Execution depends on context, time, energy, and priority, enabling you to do the right task at the right moment. GTD's principles foster intuitive action and a balanced view of projects, helping you move from overwhelm to clarity and control. By mastering GTD, you reduce stress, gain perspective, and become more present and effective in all life areas.